Back to the charts for Big Boss Crypto, bring on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. As you can see, Bitcoin is still hovering around the 35k area. We have one last final volume candle which hasn't been recovered to the upside. We have completed most of the market make structure. We have the last one left. What happens next? Well, let's look at the charts. So as you can clearly see, we have completed almost the whole market maker markup phase, which is a double bottom formation, first leg up, second leg down, first leg up, first leg down, second leg up, second leg down, third and final leg to the upside, which ends in a double top formation, and that is where we do the opposite. So we go down in 3 steps. So let's say this is the double top formation. We perform it like this, and then we bottom out with a double bottom formation, and the process continues to the upside again. So currently we have one last push to the upside possibly, or if we stay in this zone, we need to do a double top formation like this, and then we could recover some of the volume candles down below. So the next target is this volume candle to the upside. From 36.5k up to 39.6k. So in this zone is possibly where we could push into the middle of this week, which is a huge one. We're gonna cover that later. When we do that, wait for a double top formation before you go short. Not financial advice. This is just for education and entertainment purposes only. European markets are pumping the price to the upside. The stock market in Europe is going to the upside, which could lead to a last and final pump before Wednesday, because on Wednesday we have the big day. We had the FOMC statement, we have the federal funds rate, and the press conference, which is going to be a huge day. So anything we see prior to Wednesday could be a setup before a reversal to the other direction on Wednesday. The market is expecting 5.5%. We're currently at 5.5%, so a pause is expected by the market. Anything other than that is gonna create a volatile Bitcoin price action. So looking at the liquidation map, we can see still a lot of longs that could be liquidated if price goes to these price points. As you can see, closest possibly big cluster is here at 31.3k. and at 30k. A lot of money is being sat around 30k area. As you can see, almost $1 billion just on Binance around 30k. So a lot of retail trades have been going long, thinking that this is start a bull run, and that is where the price could reverse and shock these guys who went long. We also have a stack here at 25k, but the closest one is at 30k, so we could see a drop potentially to this zone. Make of this information what you want. Now let's take a look at AVAX. Have done pretty nicely in the current situation in the market. As you can see, price, we're gonna zoom in a bit closely here, and we can see the price is going at $11.6. Zooming out a bit before we make any conclusions, is we created a double top formation in the last bull run. Drop from there straight down in the first leg down, first retrace, second leg down, second retrace, and currently we are in a third and final leg to the downside. What I've been seeing, which is what you need to pay attention to, is a double bottom formation, guys. Pretty huge. It's been a pretty intense mark down phase by the market maker, bringing price to $9 or even $8.6 for a while. And as you can see, we're currently on our way to form a pretty clear double bottom formation. We need to break this point right here at 11.9, close above it, wait for, let's say we pump out of here, you need to wait for a retrace, and from there you could set your longs. Not financial advice, but this is what I'm looking at. You do whatever you want to do. This is just for education and entertainment purposes only. But yeah, pretty interesting. I'm gonna wait for this close. If we close above it, well, I'm looking to load up on some AVAX. Until that, it's just speculation, because we haven't done it yet and we trade on confirmation mostly on this channel. You do whatever you want to do. This is Big Boss Broad number 2. Have a good one. Big Boss out.